So these are the best codes for Basketball Zero on Roblox. I'm going to be teaching you how to find these codes, what the codes are, and also how to get more of them. So first, just simply go to the game and make sure you like the game. If you do, that would encourage the creators more to put out more codes because they know that the players are actually liking the game. So just simply go to the description because usually in some games they add the codes on there. If you don't see any, here is another way. Just simply go to your browser or any kind of browser like Google, Safari, or whatever you use and search for the game name on the search bar. Make sure that you add codes at the end of it so it's going to show us the codes for that specific game. As you can see, I already have a link over here which will show us the main code that we want to look for. So as you can see, it says all new Basketball Zero codes. So the code is actually Crollo Gift. Once you use this, you'll get 2 lucky style spins, 3 lucky zone spins. So these are already great because you are getting these amazing gifts which you can use to improve your gameplay. As you can see, there have been a lot of codes already, but they've expired, so I do recommend searching and searching for these codes every once in a while so that they don't expire by the time you find them. So yeah, that is how you can find these codes, and our main code for the day is Crollo Gift. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial works or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.